The money philosopher. Imagine waking up every day knowing your bank balance is growing, your bills are paid, and your future is secure. Feels great, right? The best part, you don't need to be a financial expert to make this your reality. In today's video, I'll share 3 simple, practical steps to help you save money, grow your wealth, and take control of your finances. These are the exact methods I used to turn my financial life around, and they can work for you, too. Let's dive in. Let me tell you a story. A few years ago, I was in the same boat as many of you, living paycheck to paycheck, no savings, and constantly stressed about money. I felt stuck, like no matter how much I worked, I couldn't get ahead. One day, I decided enough was enough. I started looking for ways to break free from this cycle. And over time, I learned 3 powerful habits that completely transformed my relationship with money. If you've ever felt like your finances control you instead of the other way around, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to flip that script. Track every dollar you spend. For 1 week, write down everything. Groceries, coffee, online shopping, everything. You can use apps like Mint or YNAB, or even a simple notebook. Why is this important? Because you can't manage what you don't measure. Tracking your spending shows you exactly where your money is going, and trust me, there will be surprises. This clarity is the first step toward taking control. Build a budget that works for you. I recommend starting with the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs like rent and bills, 30% to wants like dining out or entertainment, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. But here's the secret. Your budget isn't set in stone. Adjust it to fit your life, but make sure you're prioritizing savings. Think of it as paying your future self first. The more you automate this, the less you'll have to think about it. Automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account every payday. Start small if you need to, $20, $50, or whatever you can manage. The goal is to make saving a habit. Over time, even small amounts add up to something big. I know this might feel overwhelming at first, but remember, building wealth isn't about perfection. It's about progress. Every dollar saved is a step toward freedom. Every smart choice builds momentum. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. And it all begins with these 3 simple steps. So, what's next? Start tracking your spending today. Download an app, grab a notebook, or use whatever you have. If this video helped you, hit the like button to let me know. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly tips to master your money and mindset. Before you go, share your top money saving goal in the comments. I'd love to hear your story and maybe feature it in an upcoming video. Together, we're building a community of smart savers and wealth builders.